Hello everybody. So today we're going to learn about earthquakes at convergent plate boundaries. So in your Edmodo, you want to find the post that says earthquakes at convergent boundaries. This is the link for the reading. We have our practice questions and we have my email that you send them to. So let's take a look at this. So at convergent plate boundaries, there are a lot that happen around what they call the Pacific Ring of Fire. Okay, it's around the Pacific Ocean basin, along the coasts of the continents that are by the Pacific Ocean basin. So some of them are going to be known for subduction, so subducting lithosphere. All right. When it subducts, the plate is going to heat up and deform. So convergent plate boundaries are going to make earthquakes. And let's take a look at some examples of these. So we have ocean to ocean convergence. We have ocean to continent convergence, and continent to continent convergence. So ocean to ocean is when you have two oceanic plates colliding with each other. Okay, so oceanic crust is going to subduct beneath oceanic crust. And older crust is going to be more dense than younger crust, so the older crust is going to subduct. All right. Earthquakes in Japan are going to be caused by ocean-to-ocean convergence. So in 2011, there was a 9.0 magnitude earthquake, and it had a lot of damage. So the damage from the earthquake was even more drastic than the damage caused by the tsunami. So a tsunami, as we'll learn later on, that's a giant ocean wave generated by an underwater earthquake. So next we have ocean to continent convergence in the Cascades. All right. In the Pacific Northwest United States, we have three small plates subducting beneath North America and making active volcanoes known as the Cascades. All right, so because this is a convergent boundary, it is going to experience earthquakes, but large earthquakes are going to be very rare there, every 300 to 600 years. Okay. Finally, we have continent to continent convergence. So when we have two continental plates colliding, we have gigantic earthquakes. So a lot of the earthquakes like this happen in the region around the Himalayan mountains. In 2001, there was an earthquake in India that had a high death toll. So make sure you finish your questions and turn them in to me.